Let me tell you what almost killed this challenge before it even started. I was staring at my screen, no idea what to choose. TikTok tab opens, Google, Reddit, YouTube. Still, nothing felt right. And then I realized if I pick the wrong niche, this whole thing fails. 0 clicks, 0 sales, 0 motivation to keep going. Done. Heads up, I'm not promoting this PDF farming course, just documenting the journey, seeing if it actually works. The course says you don't even need to know about the topic you are selling. That sounded great at first, but to be honest, if I didn't understand the niche, I knew I'd be faking everything, and people will feel that. So I made my own rule. Pick something I know or something I live. I opened up a doc and wrote down 5 areas I already know something about. Things I've experienced, struggled with, or just care about. And then I asked, what are people actually struggling with in these areas? Are they searching for help on TikTok? And most importantly, can I create a quick solution in a PDF format? So I started plugging these ideas into TikTok search, Google Trends. Topics looked great, but once I dug in, too competitive, too niche, just not painful enough to trigger a purchase. Then I remember something I went through last year, a real struggle. I searched TikTok for hours back then to figure it out. Watched random videos, out a few courses, then it clicked. The kind of problem people pay to solve. It's real, it's painful, it's searchable. I ran it through the method PSSP. Painful, specific, solvable, and profitable. And it passed. So my niche is affiliate marketing. Means I have no problem making content around it. The truth, you don't need to be an expert, but you do need to care. People can smell when you are just chasing money, when you are actually solving a problem. Farming isn't about being perfect, connecting the solution to pain. Day number 3, I'm building the actual PDF from scratch with AI, tools, real screenshots. Again, I'm not promoting anything in this video. If you are still watching, let me know in the comments one niche you actually understand people are struggling with right now. Maybe that's your PDF. No hype, no 10K in today's lives. A normal person testing a digital product strategy. See what happens. See you in the next video.